You sure you want to go back to sleep into that dream?
Yes.
Well, I think I should come with you. So, maybe if our heads are connected while we're sleeping, maybe, just maybe, I could be entered into your dream.
No. I doubt it. Maybe Mega Man might be able to do something like that, but...
Or I could get Jolteon. You said there was someone named Leafeon?
Yeah, she looks like my sister. It's scaring me. I don't trust her anymore.
Huh. I'll have Leafeon go with you then.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, let me go get Leafeon.
Okay. I'm really scared about him. Dude, he's fine. He's just tired.
Ow.
Scrub Bunny, what are you doing?
Okay, guys. We need Jolteon, Glaceon, and Leafeon. We need you guys to go to sleep with Eevee, all heads connected.
What?
Just come in the room. I'll explain.
Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, fine. Oh, Mega Man! Yes? You need to come see Eevee really quick and bring your memory thing, the dream thing. Oh, that? Okay. Alright.
I'm getting really tired, so can we hurry? Or else I'll lose connection to you guys, and you guys won't be able to help.
Okay, I still don't know what we're doing. Well, so, since that dream has been having and is making him sad and all that, he wanted to hook up you guys to his brain so you guys could see the dream and maybe help him? Well, I don't think all of your family will go in there. Well, for some reason, ever since the last time we used this, it has that glitch, and I still haven't been able to fix it. I'm always forgetting about it. So Eevee and one of your friends will have to come in.
I'll choose Leafeon.
Oh, what, me?
Can Jolteon come too, or just Leafeon?
Like I said, the wire's broken. Until I can fix it, only you, the Dream Maker, and one of your friends can come in.
I'll do Leafeon. We need to sort this out, because the Leafeon in my dreams wants to kill me and everybody else.
What? Wait, no. What? I would never do that. Well, maybe if we just do it, we'll find out. Okay, get it right.
Leafeon, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm like so tired.
Okay, I'll meet you in there. Wait, hold on. Eevee, please.
Huh?
Be careful. You have a friend with you, so please. Be careful.
I will, Jolteon. Don't worry. It's cold.
No, I'm getting sleepy. Well, that should be normal, right? Yes. Protect Eevee, okay? Alright. Hang on. Alright, let them sleep. Well, we still don't know what their dreams is like. Only Leafeon will be able to tell us. Eevee has been scared to tell us anything. Yeah, he has. It's weird. Alright, well, I guess we'll just have to wait. I'll keep an eye on them. Okay, thank you, Mega Man. Come on, guys. I'll tell you guys when he's awake. Oh, man. What? Hang on. What is this place? This is where I fell asleep. Oh, is this it? It's pretty dark. This isn't it at all. We're supposed to be in, like a snow area. What is going on? Didn't you forget, Eevee? Quick, hide. Ah! Oh, I can't believe you forgot, Eevee. You don't remember? Remember? What? No, what are you talking about? Ow! What the? Hey! Oh, yeah, that invisible barrier. Oh, yeah. Probably because I wanted to keep you away and stop you from my work. What are you talking about? I told you to kill Litten. You refused. So you had no choice. I had to take over your body. And I've like that room you're in is deep inside your mind. I'm in it now. So I hope you make yourself comfortable. Don't worry, you'll get a front screen view through my eyes of everything that I will be killing.
Speaking of, I'm running home to get my knife that I had years ago, planning to see if I needed self-defense. But nope, I died to illness. I didn't have to attack anybody. But now, I do. Let's see, running home, grabbing my knife. Why is it orange? Bravery, of course. The bravery kid must have spray painted my knife. Oh well. Still sharp as ever. I love a good knife, don't you, Eevee?
Please, what are you gonna do with that? Don't hurt me.
I can't hurt you. It's not possible. You're a ghost, basically. Now, let's go kill some monsters.
Eevee. Stay. Let's just watch. Okay, no, I can't take this anymore. What? You can get out? Huh? Oh, it's because I'm not in your mind. This is... it's so complicated. Well, I'm going to get out of your head, and I'll keep an eye out on him. Oh, who's that up there? Come on. He's a good kid. You can't kill him. I can do what I want. But I'm going to be in the royal card. You're just the master. You can't... Fine, do what you want.
Oh, forgot. I didn't kill that little cat. But I will now.
Huh?
Come on.
Huh. Guess it was nothing. Oh, man. Hey, you can't believe it. That was Greninja just stared at us. Oh, I'm blushing.
What? You mean that silly frog thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's gonna be around here for a while. I remember. I'm gonna keep looking for him.
Stupid little kid.
Hello. No.
It's a cupcake thing that has eyes?
Yeah. You want to bet? Name's Cupcake Monster. I'm gonna get you. I'm attacking first. Flash.
You're gonna regret even trying to touch me.
Oh, please.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna try and regret doing that.
You win. You gain 35 XP. No.
Oh, Eevee. I'm gonna torture you so bad. Look what I'm gonna do. Look what I got now, Eevee. See this? Oh.
Please stop it. Please.
Sorry, Eevee. I can't do that. What a stupid cupcake looking thing. Huh? What's that footsteps in here? Huh. Thought I saw a little green.
Huh. Oh. Hello. No. It's a ghost. It can't die. Oh, she's outnumbered. Yeah. Oh. So we have to fight? Alright, I'll let you take the first move.
What?
I'm a ghost, remember? Yes. Now I have to attack.
Attack now.
Huh. Well, I'm not feeling up to it, but fine. Sorry if that hurt you.
You'll be sorry in a minute. What?
Ghost. Can't die. You can't kill him, Leafeon. It's a ghost. You can't do it. You monster! You just stabbed me.
You get Eevee. That's why you should shut up.
Then I guess I have to go again. I'll be honest, the pain felt good. Well, I guess I should go.
Alright, if I can't kill your body, then...
Oh, I feel weird. What is this?
You're dead.
Level 5.
Die! Die! Die!
I can't look. I can't move my eyes. What do you do?
That's because I'm controlling your eyes. I want you to see how well I could stab this soul until it disappears into nothing.
Stop it! Please! Please! Man, that exhausted me.
Now you can blink.
Please let me go. I promise. I won't tell anybody.
No. I know someone came with you.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Someone came with you, right? Oh, wait. That actually gives me a good idea. I can murder somebody in your dreams that came with you in real life. And they'll be in a coma. Or they may just die in their sleep. So I'm going to send you back. Ready?
Wait.
Bye.
No! You're finally awake, Eevee. Hey, it's okay. Hang on. I don't know what happened. I'll get your family.
We came as soon as we heard. So...
Okay. Eevee just woke up. It's gonna take Leafeon a bit since she has to leave the dream.
She can't wake up. She can't wake up. She's stuck. The Leafeon, the bad Leafeon that stabbed everybody. She has a knife now. She's going after Leafeon. If she gets stabbed or dies, she dies here. Or might stay in a coma. Actually, right now she's in a coma. She can't wake up. She can't wake up.
What?
Glaceon, Jolteon, help.
Hey, it's okay. Eevee, hang on. We can get her out. We'll find a way. Meanwhile, inside the dream world... Oh. Are you sad? Oh, please. I want to see Eevee. I want to see my family. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about those little imbeciles. You'll be staying right here. You and I will have a fun time. Trust me. To be continued. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. Part 2 will be coming out about tomorrow, and we'll get to see what happens. So, yeah, goodbye.